This is another Singer tensioner with a number dial on it that's a bit different from most of the ones you see on the 401 and later machines. So I have taken this out and had to clean it, and I got the release pin here kind of stuck out, and we're gonna get that pushed in place. This tensioner happens to be on a 201, but I assume it appeared on several other Singers of the same time period. And it's like many of these. Got our take-up spring, our two tension discs, and then this front guard plate. And when we slip our take-up spring on, we have to make sure that the tab and the spring goes into one of the slots on the stem of the tensioner here. And this is a pretty good spot. Anytime it rests kind of down below here in the 4 to 6 location, it usually springs up enough for preload, and then we lift it up over the keeper on the side here. Next is the tension cup, and this has a plus and minus arrow indicator on it. And then our cone spring, and this stop washer with the finger on it, and our number dial here has a tab punched in. So this is punched kind of like the later Singer cast number dials, or the other Singer cast number dials. And then it uses the same similar style of nut with a drive pin in it, so that you've put the nut on the end of the tensioner and then get it to drop into one of the holes on the scale here. And and then of course for disassembly, you just push the scale in so that the nut pin is released.